Just like that, man. I wish I had some brake cleaner, man. I like to clean as I go. Alright. Put it in there. Don't get crazy. That's good. Boom. Done. Now we do the bad boy. We do the filter, guys. Time to do the filter. Filter's easy. Alright. Put the light there so you guys can see it. That's the filter, guys. Right there. Alright. I'll show you how to do that real quick. That's easy. First thing you want to do, key on, turn the steering wheel to the left. You want to have room, you want to have some room. Just key on. Oh, I don't think you left me a key. Did you take the key with him? Nope, I got it. We got a lot of Mitsubishis here, so a lot of the keys, they look alike. They look alike. First things first, key on. That's the key. I don't think that's the key. Oh well, we're gonna have to hit it from the bottom. Gotta be uncomfortable again. That's what I hate about working on cars. When you gotta work uncomfortable. Alright. Let me get to from here. So, that's the filter. See, I get a good spot for you guys. Go watch me take it out. You see it? Yeah, you can see it. Right there. Light. Alright. So, I already know what to do, but you guys don't. You see this little knob right here? It's like a trigger plate. Let me get the light up there. See it right there? Right there? You want to put a flathead through that, right? Pop that back, and then you can spin the filter off. If not, that breaks. And that's what prevents the filter from locking. I mean, from breaking. They say to breaking it loose, but if this thing is tightened down, it ain't coming off. I'm just telling you what they say. All right, and sometimes not what they say is the truth. So I'm just gonna tell you what I heard. Okay. So let's see. Can you see it? Yeah. Make sure it's a good spot for it. All right, cool. Take your adjustable wrench. Let me move this back. Wrench. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright. This is not gonna be OD tight. It's plastic. Put that right there. Remember what I said? You see how you put the flathead in it? Lift up. You see that? See how the plate's coming up? You do that, then you spin it. You see? Just hold it up. I have a socket this size, but yeah, I got a socket this size. I don't know why I ain't using the damn socket. I'm working fucking double over here. Getting lazy, man. Getting lazy. Damn, this. Usually these spin right off. You know what? Let me get a socket. Let me get a socket. I'm not sure what sockets these are. Alright, 32. So I got a 32, 12.6 point. Go with 6 point, won't strip. Alright. Sorry guys, when I was doing it on mine, I hit it one time and it came right out. But then again, you know, I have lower miles. It's only 50K. This one's got like 150. So there's probably just, you know, this is probably a